Hello everybody and welcome to 3C Woodworking. So today we're showcasing a Matthias Wendell inspired desk. It pulls up to the couch. It's got a 5-degree angle on it. Some beautiful corbels on there with the rounded edging, following it all the way around. Trying to do kind of like the Sam Malouf, where he brought all the curves together. Then over here on the side, you'll see that I rounded it together. Finished even on the bottom. There's your cleats, which hold the top in place, making sure to leave room for wood movement. And on the bottom of the duckbill feet, there in the bottom, is a piece of plastic, 1/4 inch thick, that's been sanded to a 2000 grit so that it can slide freely along the carpet. Here you have a maple plywood with a dark walnut stain burned in the corners and edge trimmed with a dark walnut. Man, isn't that cool? That thing turned out better, well, better than I thought it would. Isn't that cool? This was actually an experiment. I look forward to doing more work like that. That was done using this template up here. That's MDF, 1/4 inch. I think next time I'll wrap it with some aluminum tape. Well, thanks for watching, and be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you, and have a wonderful evening.